Hi guys, I'm back. In this video we're going to talk about the best natural remedy for an ear infection, okay? So here are some of the symptoms. Vertigo, that's dizziness, sinus congestion, headache, ear pain, ear popping, ringing the ears. You can have an ear infection. It's more common in children, and I'm going to tell you why. Because here you have the ear, the external ear, and then you have the little space that kind of goes in, that hole that goes into the inner ear right here. And this is where the infection occurs, right there. Now, you have this little drainage tube called the eustachian tube that should drain in the back of the throat. And that's the purpose of the eustachian tube, is to drain mucus and also to equalize pressure. If you've ever been on an airplane and it's going up or going down, like your ears are in pain and you have this severe pain in your head. And if that ever happens, what you need to do is you can pull your ears outward this way, just directly out, open the mouth, and it should drain, or chew some gum or something like that. But in a child, the reason why they have more problems is that the tube is not as vertical. And that's why it can't drain. It's more horizontal. So it backs up, especially if the child consumes sugar or milk. Those two in combination just are a breeding ground for microbes, especially around Halloween. Okay, but you have this situation where you have all this mucus. It fills up with pus and infection, causes pain. Normally this little tube here, though, is collapsed and it opens when you swallow. But what happens is it stops draining, it backs up to the inner ear, and it creates a lot of issues. So the best natural remedy is garlic oil. You take a drop of oil and you put it into the ear and let it go in there. So you want to dilute 1 drop of garlic oil in a teaspoon of olive oil, okay? Then take a drop of that and put it in the infant's ear, okay? But if it's a child, let's say 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, you can just take 1 drop of garlic oil and put it in the ear, and that should pretty much kill any microbes that are going in there naturally. So it's very, very friendly on your own microbes in your own body, but it's very unfriendly on pathogenic microbes, yeast, fungus, things like that. Now, if your dog is scratching the ear, there could be also an infection. Same thing, drop of garlic oil in the ear, gets rid of it really fast, okay? Go ahead and try this and let me know how it works. Hey, if you want to find out more about your body type, click the link below and take the quiz.